Hi everyone, I'm Liat from Momjo, and today I am doing something in my kitchen that I have been trying to do for months, and I am so excited. I'm so excited to share this with you because it's a process that I feel like clear home, clear mind. I'm trying to clear up my life, sort out my home, but the kitchen was always the one that really got me right here. It just is not organized. It irritates me every time I open the pantry doors and everything is just a mess. Do you hear me? Is your kitchen the same? Drop me a comment below if you've got a messy kitchen and you want to sort it out, or if you've got the most organized, pristine kitchen. I want to learn some tips from you. So stick with me. I'm going through a before and an after. I'll give you a sneak peek of the before. Don't say I didn't warn you. Oh, and the top ones are worse. Oh my golly. There we go. It's just wrong. There are bags of things with clips on. There are half empty bags of cereal that I need to put into containers. So I have gone on a shopping spree. I've bought all the containers in the whole world, literally, and they're all in my house. And now I'm gonna just pick and choose which ones I need and want to use and return all the rest to the store. Isn't that genius? I just couldn't make up my mind. I was indecisive again. Anyway, I'm working on that too. Here we go, guys. Stick with me. If you're new to our channel, we are two moms trying to get our mojo back, hence Momjo. So subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media at Finding Momjo, and I hope you enjoy. Let's do it. So I haven't done much research, but I am a little inspired by the Konmari method that I've just watched 1 or 2 episodes on Netflix about. And basically, I think the only way to do this and to start is to pull everything out. So here goes. I mean, seriously, we have how many? 4 left in the whole box. Okay guys, one side is officially clear. I am going to wipe down the shelves and then we're going to get working. Honestly, I don't remember the last time I did this. Now what on earth do I do? Okay, category by category. I think I'm going to start with cereals because that is the easiest. They are already in containers, so I'm quite happy with these. I love that I can just pull it off, pour, and put back. I'm going to just put them right back in the shelf. This is so easy. Nuts and seeds and dried fruit. That's the next category. That's the easiest thing that pops into my mind. I'm going to bring those over here. I'm going to pick the right size container and I'm going to stack them up. I'm so overwhelmed by that side. I'm just going to close it. Make me feel a little bit better. Now I'm going to do the dried fruit, nuts and seeds, as I mentioned. And as you can see, I've got bags of nuts and seeds and some crackers. And then I've got these plastic ones that they come in. I mean, look how much is left in here. And the whole container needs to be in the cupboard. No. Hello. You have come at the right time. Because everything is out on the table. Come here. Say hello. Say hi. This is mom life. I think these are going to be a win. I don't know. I can't quite decide. I feel like these are the same size. Kind of. But I'm going to go with these. Dates. Gonna fit. I eat a lot of dates, so it's safe to say that I can use a big one of these for the dates. Oh yeah. Recycling. nuts. We eat a lot of nuts in this family. So now I'm wondering if that's going to be big enough. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. Look at that perfect size. Close. Are you going to irritate me? I hope not. Well, seeds, of course. I have all little tins with seeds. Voila. This is therapeutic. I'm actually feeling like I'm de-stressing as I pour. Let's hope it's not gonna. This is going in here. Making a video.
Oh, hi! I didn't see that.
Yeah. I'm sorting out the kitchen and making a video. Am I being productive?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I love these. If the bag is still closed, I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to put it back up in the cupboard. But things like a quarter-eaten bag of pretzels need a home. So now I'm mixing. The kids might not be happy. Let's check that fresh. And from now on, we open one bag at a time. When it comes to the bars and maybe the cookies, I'm thinking a more open tin might be best. Now, these can be put in the fridge or they can be kept in your cupboard. Let's start with bars. These are so old, they are hard, so they're being thrown out. You can see my kids like bear paws. Just saying. So we've got bars, we've got snacks for the kids. It's looking good. I have also come across old candy that is so hard. So it's now time to also do a cleanup, a tidy up. Wrappers from fruit roll-ups that are still in the cupboard. What are they doing there? I don't even know what's in here. What is this? Oh my gosh. I didn't know I had this. It's chocolate bark. Homemade. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Anyone see a theme here with the chocolates? There's a lot. I suggest for the chocolates we use this beautiful box. It's got a lid, so you can't always see the chocolate, which means you won't eat it straight away or want to eat it straight away. And the chocolates that we've got in there, I love that I do. Oh, and the Ferrero Rochers, of which there are some left, will go in there too. We've got chocolate bars. Note how I planted that up in the top so that the kids can't get hold of it. What's in here? Oh my goodness. This is about $30 worth of the most delicious gummies in the world. We bought these for the kids in New York as a gift. We never gave it to them. Wow, with lollipops, they are going to go crazy. You see what you can find in your cupboard? They're going to be very excited if I don't eat it first. This is a good feeling. Putting everything in the trash and recycling, doing my bit of getting it out of my house. Okay guys, coming to throw away the recycling. Check it out. We're on to side number 2. I'm feeling good. I am a little bit stressed about all the little miscellaneous bits that are not food, like paperwork and random things, but we will deal with that when we're done with the food. One step at a time. It's January and I still have matzah from last year's Passover. I don't know how that's possible. With this tin stuff, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up from the bottom shelf to the second shelf and try and organize it a little bit better so I can actually see what's in the cupboard. Juice. I'm thirsty. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do before I try and decant these things is just put back into the cupboard what is perfectly fine as it is. I've had these with little labels on what kind of flour I have, the big containers, and I absolutely love them. And when I know that it's getting to this point, I know that I need to buy more. One big bag, I pop it in and we're done. I need to cook. That's what I need to do. I need to cook these things. 2 of everything. This is the problem with not having a pantry that is sorted. Best before date on cap. Ooh. Oh my God. 2015. Oh. Now we've got a whole bunch of sugars, flours, beans, oats, lentils, all kinds of things. These deserve their own container. They deserve it. So let's give it to them. Okay, rice. Brown rice. You deserve your own special thing. I think this is your own special thing. My oats most definitely deserve their own special container. Boysies! Hi guys, I am back. I had to take a quick break, but I'm back. I told everybody to stay out of the kitchen. They weren't allowed to touch anything, and now we're back. So I've had this spice rack for a long time, like 5 years. And come to think of it, I don't think I use any of these. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, does it spark joy for me? Hey, Marie Konmari. No, it does not spark joy. I'm going to say thank you, spices, and goodbye. So these little cutes are for spices, and I particularly loved the look of them from Ikea. Look how cute these are, and basically they can stand on edge or upright. I hope it's going to fit now that I look at this. The best part. Now I've come to the point where it's the complicated, difficult stuff that I need to take out and figure out where to maybe rearrange it in my kitchen. And what to actually do with it. So first of all, we've got all my Tupperware, which the perfect example of what happens every time I open that cupboard. It falls out on my head. So I'm thinking to myself, it should not be up. It needs to be down. So that's going to be the first challenge. And I'm just going to pull this all out and we're going to get moving. This is round about the time where I would like get tired and think, oh, I've done so much, I'm just going to stop now. But I'm not. I'm going to push through because I want this whole cupboard to look amazing. So stick with me. Now I'm going to decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to gift, either to a friend or family member or charity if I don't touch it or haven't touched it in the last 5 years that I've been in this house. I will definitely be using this. You can never have too much Tupperware. one day for when I want to oh, good Lord. What I was trying to say is one day when I find my baking Momjo, I'll be using all this stuff, but until then, it can go back up in the top of the cupboard. So after sorting out all the Tupperware, this is what I'm left with. Either mostly lids or bottoms that have no lid. So I've decided I'm going to hold on to this for 2 weeks, and if I cannot find anything to match it, recycling. I finally feel like I'm getting somewhere, and I'm going to be able to show you the finished product. So I'm just going to take a quick scan around to see if there's anything left. Just decanting the last few bits because I couldn't resist when I saw this really tall container. I was like, I've got to have it. Okay guys, I have finally finished. Took longer than I thought, but I got into more cupboards than I expected. And I'm happy to tell you that I just feel so free and clean and clear. And I'm so excited to show you the final product and so excited to show you what is behind me in these cupboards. I can't tell you anything other than go and do this for yourself. It is therapeutic, it is freeing, and it is just amazing. So let's check it out.